Today, I will show you how to delete your Chrome history in just a few steps. Let's see how to do it. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Next, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu, tap History. You'll now see a list of all the websites you visited. To delete all your browsing history, tap Delete Browsing Data at the top. Choose a time range. You can select the last 15 minutes, last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, or choose all time to delete everything. Make sure browsing history is checked. You can also select cookies and site data and cached images and files if you want to remove more data. Now tap Delete Data and confirm. Your Google Chrome history on your phone has now been deleted. And that's how you delete Google Chrome history on your phone. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and privacy tips. Thanks for watching.